Ayan guys, luto na yung pancake ko. Kainan na. Ayan, ayan tayo guys. Ayan. Hello guys, magandang hapon. Ito mag-bake tayo ng pancake. Merienda ng ating mga anak guys. Ayan, prepare ko na.
Yung school raw ni ate, ano?
Ito ay, nagpainit na ako ng fan. So, ayan guys, mainit na yung fan natin. Lagyan na natin siya ng so, ayun guys, nag-brown na kaagad yung gilid. Babalik pa rin natin siya. Oh, medyo dumikit guys ah. Gusto na siya. Tatanggalin na natin. Babantayan ko. Hindi siya sunog. Ito guys, yung negro. Ayan. Negro guys. Negro siya. Kasi nag-reels ako. Ayan. Negro na yung iba. Buti ito nabantayan ko. Puti siya. Hindi negro. Thank you for watching. For today's video, nagluluto ako ng pancake guys, merienda namin. Happy Sunday pala guys. Ito guys, yung iba ay negro, itong ibabaw na babantayan ko. Ito guys, nagiging negro na siya. No. At ito naman ang kasunod ay babantayan ko na guys, para hindi siya naging negro. Ayan guys. Kunti na lang guys. Ayan, ito na lang yung tira. So, ayan guys. Luto na yung pancake ko. Kainan na. Ayan, ayan tayo guys. Ayan. Oh, let's eat na ate. Let's eat na ate. Huwag kayo matakip-takip dyan ate. Oh, ayan na ate. Eat na ate. Eat na kami guys. Hi guys. Eat na kami pancake guys. Tara na. Tara na. Eat yummy pancakes. So na guys. Luto na yung pancake ko. Kainan na. Ayan. Ayan tayo guys. Ayan. Na lang ako kaya kape. Ang patumalas. Guys, merienda tayo. Saan na yung coffee ko? Tingnan mo coffee. Na? Saan mo ko coffee na? Ha? Okay. Black. Black that? Ito ang kay Kuya ano chocolate? Kape na, kitem. Ako lang. Hey guys, tara na. Samahan nyo kami sa merienda. Ito lang din na guys.
Ano mo? Kape na?
Wala.
Wala gamit ito papabasa mo. Meron ko po sa Facebook.
YouTube.
That's what I'm adding. My girlfriend. Because he's always going to unusual spots. There's a weird outfit which perfect fits it. His best clip so far is where he is on. He does this.
Is your heart snapping?
If you do this simple trick, your face will look 10 times better. So how do you do it? With Lighten. If you have a face, like and subscribe. So you've probably seen viral videos of people changing their jawline, which instantly makes them look much more attractive. How do they do it? Well, this is called Mute, and it's actually very easy to do. So first, place the tip of your tongue behind your front teeth, then just press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. If you do this simple trick, your face will
Hindi na ito merienda guys. Lamon na to. Lamon. Merienda. Lamon na to guys. Lamon.
Ang lagyan mo nga sa akin.
Ito na.
Wala akong pataas.
Harap ng coffee. Sarap ng cake, no? Ay, pancake, fluffy.
Oo. Oo, chocolate din yan.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe more. Love you all guys.